Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we take you along with us to Alta Lakes. The historic mining town of Alta was established in 1877. In its heyday, a few hundred people lived here. The town site was a center of mining activities. Alta was one of the first towns to have AC power. In 1890, the Gold King mine faced closure due to the high costs of coal. So the mine manager contracted George Westinghouse to build the world's first commercial alternating current power plant in Ames, 3 miles away in the San Miguel River Valley. In 1948, a fire engulfed the entire mining complex, and Alta's mining days were over. Today, less than 20 historic structures remain. A short distance past the ghost town of Alta are the Alta Lakes.
Watching out for number one. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now. You gotta get going. Easy now. Hard working, so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Give a lot and live a little. Work with what you got. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going,
Got a bald eagle up in the tree, up at Alta Lakes, looking for fish. Been fishing all day.
What are you using for bait?
Okay. That's Play-Doh.
What?
Looks like Play-Doh.
Oh, he's not bad.
I'm gonna eat him. Hey, buddy. Who's that, Lincoln? Who's that? Who is that, Lincoln? That's a water seen a fish before. Like this?
What is it, Lincoln?
You don't want
All right, Oliver got another one. Hello, Mr. Bird. We got Andrew over here making beef bacon. Picked it up in Ouray.
Delicious.
Looks good.
Gourmet cooking in the woods. Was that bald eagle? That'd be delicious.
Oh, there's a duck out there.
Oh yeah, duck liver. Let's go.
Casey, Miko, Marley. What's up, guys? Hey. Everybody packing up. Sounds like everybody's gonna start heading towards home. Except for us, maybe Sarah. Day 8, I believe it is. We're up here at Alta Lakes. Not seeing the eagle right now, but we had an eagle that was flying around fishing. It's really cool. Super pretty lake though. Everybody's packing up, getting ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us. So I believe Sarah's gonna go with us. We're gonna go find another place to go fishing, do some more fishing for today, and find a spot to camp tonight, and then work our way home from there. Join us in the next episode where we run into a traffic jam. We ran across some of the locals. A herd of cattle being moved for the winter. We're ready for rain. We'll be fine. And later on, find a sweet spot next to the Dolores River. There's the Bernie. Say hi to the camera, honey.
Hello.
Hello.
This is an awkward.
Oh, and the stream is right here. Actually, I think it's the Dolores River, what it's called. We're in still in Colorado, but this is beautiful. I'm gonna be able to listen to the water tonight when we go to bed.